Oh, he's not wanting it. I'm not doing it.
Get over there and get it. Just stick it underneath his leg. Get out of the way.
Come on. Kiwi. 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 Oh, he doesn't want it.
You're like fencing with it. Put it underneath his legs where he can step on it. Go.
Do you see his beak? Mom hasn't cut his beak in years. Look.
Yeah, but that's alright. No, nothing more exciting. Go on. Nope, alright. Just put it like directly underneath his claws. Oh, that just.
Oh yeah, turn on the fan so when he flies up.
Alright, come on.
What
He's gonna come up my arm and bite me.
What if you did something like this?
No, I think that's the worst idea.
Let me get the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, there you go. Alright. Come on, he's going over there. So.
Kiwi. Let me see the towel.
Wrap it
Yeah,
around
just
your
wrap it
arm
around
or
your arm.
something.
It's probably just like, these people are fucking stupid thinking they're gonna grab me. Kiwi! Kiwi! He doesn't want it. He's like, fuck y'all, I got a big kid.
Come on.
Kiwi! Kiwi!
I'm just gonna close
Yeah, there you go. There you go. He's trying.
No, he's putting his foot in his beak.
Well, he lifted his foot up.
Dude, look how long his beak is.
It's big. Yeah, it's way too long. It's gonna like, yeah, it needs to be clipped.
Yeah, close the door.
Are we stuck in that room and you fly?
I closed your door.
Where's the cat when you need it? It's his mom's bird and she's not here. Kiwi!
Why are you so far away? Get closer to it.
I'm not getting closer.
Come on. Hurry up. It's already on 3 minutes.
Kiwi.
How did they get out? Where is the...
Kiwi.
Closer. Get closer to him.
No!
He's at the end of the freaking couch.
He's gonna fly right at me.
Come on. Hurry up.
He already scared you. Kiwi! Hey, look, see? See? He doesn't want it.
I think he thinks you're using that as a weapon. You need to like turn it sideways and like be like, here, step on it. Kiwi, get on this stupid stick. I know you know English.
Kiwi!
There you go. Come on, closer, closer.
Dude, he just puffed it up!
Come on.
Look how puffed up he's getting.
I'm just saying, Google says, get a washcloth. Hold the washcloth in the palm of your hand and reach in and gently grab your bird by wrapping the washcloth around his body from behind.
Here you go! Let's see if Google's
How to
correct,
capture-
Alex.
Isolate the bird in a specific room of the house. Place the bird's cage in the same room as the bird. Open the door to the cage and drop some fresh food inside. Parakeets will often return to their cages for a drink or snack, giving you a chance to close the cage door.
He's in the whole opposite room.
Maybe.
Well, you could still point the stick at him and he'd come over here eventually. He likes to move away from the stick.
Come on, just do something.
Alex, cut here. You found the idea.
I don't know that I can.
I believe in you. Charlie.
It looks
Come-
like a rat with wings.
Grab the towel and put it around the bird and then just grab it.
Where's the thing's food?
No, I'm too young to
It's
die.
over there.
You got it. Be a big boy. Yep. No, go back this way. Just get in there.
No.
Come on.
Yeah, I can't. Can I just throw the towel over there?
You could. You could try that.
Kiwi! Kiwi!
Why are you telling him? You shouldn't be calling him. It should be like, I'll be like Kiwi over here.
I feel like you should take charge, and you're like the eldest.
No, I'll distract him, and you throw the towel over it.
Don't throw the you're supposed to grab him with it.
I was gonna throw it over and then
Yeah. That's the idea.
Okay, good idea.
Kiwi! Yeah, fucker, I'm talking to you. Kiwi! Hey, Kiwi, look at me. Come on, hurry up. Kiwi!
he keeps looking back over here. He's too smart.
Does he keep looking at you?
Yeah, he'll keep on turning his head where I can see his eye.
And just...
Hey, you want to see if you can...
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, so... Get the other mat. Oh, here it is. So, put 2 mitts on, and with one mitt, hold this, and with the other mitt, hold the stick.
And then you get him Donnie with the towel.
No!
Yeah.
No, we don't need the towel. He's gonna be on the stick, eating the food. Let's go.
Kiwi, want some food? Look, Kiwi, it's food. Look. See? Look, Kiwi. Kiwi!
Come on, Kiwi. You want some food, don't you? Hey. Oh. Get this!
It's all you, Donnie, I believe.
What? I'm not holding this freaking thing.
Kiwi! Donnie, you just have to grab it. Kiwi!
Like this.
No,
Kiwi! Kiwi!
I'm not doing it.
Here, I
No.
got you, Donnie. Let me see. I'll video you. No, I'll video you.
No. There you go. Somebody else do it.
Kiwi!
If it flies, it's gonna fly forward.
I got you, Alex.
Just hit it with the stick if it flies forward.
I don't want to hurt him. Joey, I feel like you should do this. Okay, I have him.
Alright, now go. Let's go put him in the cage.
Somebody come close the door to this thing.
Alright, hold on. Let me put the food in there.
This thing is broke.
Very nice.